beautiful people, lovers of freedom all over the world. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening for wherever you might be watching me from. I do appreciate your support always on this channel. I am grateful. In case you are seeing my face for the first time, I am AGATHA Progress channel here on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. Do well to support Biafra referendum, because in Biafra, we shall rejoice together. All right, I have a wonderful video here that I want us to watch together.
On live broadcast on social media belongs to Ipob. Not everybody who is talking about Biafra may really mean good for Biafrans. Not everybody talking about Nnamdi Kanu really mean good for him. A lot of people are playing him, talking about him, calling him leaders and so many things, but they don't believe in him. I want to tell you something. If you think it's easy to come online and give us your face, most of you who do live videos will go online, hide your face, and you are talking. But I want to tell you something. Listen. I am not against DOS. Like I told them yesterday in my group, like I always say, we have more than 200,000 persons listening over the world. I am not against DOS. But DOS should understand that every man who subscribes to IPOB movement is intelligent. Every man that subscribes, oh, let me follow IPOB lead, that man is intelligent. And that man's intelligence needs to be protected and respected. And I repeat, because I've seen some people sending me messages on my WhatsApp, telling me, young man, you don't know the plan they have. Let me tell you something. Like somebody said to me, Chike Edoziem is the best surgeon in London. So he is rich, and is even more richer than one of the politicians in Nigeria, or one of the candidates that are coming out from Anambra State election. And I said to him, poor man do not fight for freedom. So if you see me online talking, you should understand that I don't beg you for money. But I want to tell you the truth. I don't beg you for money. That I don't have enough followers on Facebook doesn't mean maybe I'm begging you for money. If you like, go and invite your friends. Let them listen to me. I have 200,000 persons. I hate when we come online to gossip and not to talk the reality. I hate when we come online and we begin to talk about person. We begin to talk about our fellow beings. Oh, this man says something like this, and then we don't accept it. Are you okay? Let me calm down. I want to calm down. Listen. Our struggle has entered what I describe as fan movement, that nobody can stop until you off the engine. And what is the engine? Whether you like it or not, I will continue to tell you the truth. Whether you like it or not, our engine is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And any day that man is being eliminated, killed, I bet you most of these leaders of IPOB will run away. They will drop the struggle. They will collapse the struggle. If you like, believe it. Oh my goodness me. This is why I don't do some videos, because having some serious listen here. The leadership of IPOB need to wake up. There are a lot of things you see, and you have to understand that the people you want to talk to are even more intelligent than you are. That we live abroad does not mean we can talk to people anyhow and order them anyhow and they obey us. It's not possible. That you live abroad does not mean you can tell your people in abroad, at home, and say, go and sit at home, and they will obey it. People will not obey it. I am not subscribed to the matter of the cutting down of sit at home. I'm doing this video because of those people. I have more than 10 persons who sent me message. And I asked them one question. Why have you not told me the reason why you should call the sit at home? Why have you not told me the reason why you stopped the sit at home? If you tell me the reason, then I will understand. You cannot sit in your home and you say to me, you don't understand what the DOS is doing. If you understand, you appreciate them. I have been appreciating every IPOB member. I see every bandit as one because you don't know the work I'm doing. Also, whether you are the DOS, you are the HOD, you don't know the work I am doing for Biafras. As simple as that. You don't know. Please, give me my coffee, please. You don't know the work I'm doing. So you cannot tell me, oh, you just keep quiet. No, it's not possible. I deserve to know the reason why the sit at home was suspended and we adopted election instead of no election that all of us were talking about. I deserve to know. My name is Simon Brain. I am a full indigene of Nnewi, Otolo Nnewi, in the Nnewi North Local Government area. I started the struggle of IPOB before most of them, whether the DOS or never. I was in Biafra land when the IPOB structure has been informing. We were the first people who went out for protest and we were shot. So you cannot tell me to keep quiet when you are making a rubbish broadcast. Nonsense. You come online to talk about somebody when you have something to talk about. We are not. Can I ask you something? When Mazen Namdekano was there, whenever there is a broadcast, go to Radio Biafra. Go to Radio Biafra page. Give me a hand, please. Go to Radio Biafra page. You will see 8,000 persons listening. 9,000, 11,000 listening live across the social medias, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. What they do now is to come out and they gossip. And they tell you, oh, this man is not supposed to talk. And because of that, we don't listen to him. This man is not supposed to talk. This man, are you mad? Are you insane? Is something wrong with you? Do you have a brain damage? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? There are people who have stood on their ground and said, no election in Anambra State. And you go out on a back door to have a useless meeting, I call it, with so-called useless leaders, so-called useless religious leaders, who could not speak to the release of Nnamdi Kanu, and you say, oh, they have talking to you, and you want to respect them, and you say, go to your normal business. You are mad. You are completely mad. Something is wrong with you. Something is wrong with your brain. And you think you will subscribe to that? Yes, it's no. Go and listen to my videos in this very page, Simon Brain. I don't have much videos here. I don't have much followers here. You can easily find it. Go and listen to it. What I said, any day that anybody from the IPOB leadership will come out and say to us, hey, let us go and vote. God, and I have said it, and it was not happen. I will never go back on it. Because you must tell me the reason why the sit at home was cut off. I deserve to know. Now look, listen to me. I am not I'm not an army of one man. Before we do things, we talk about it. You see, this struggle, we have started it. People have died. I sustained injury in 2015. August 30, 2015. Go and check it. Go and study what happened in August. My name is Simon Brain. My name is the Brain. Go and ask the then Onisha coordinator. What happened in August 2015? Go and ask Ike Chukwu. What happened in August 2015? The Anambra State coordinator then. Go and ask them. So you cannot come online and you sit at a right place in London and you begin to tell me, oh, we have suspended it. It's an order. Are you mad? Are you insane? Is something wrong with you? It's an order. Are you mad? We have somebody in prison. Not just in prison, in somebody's home. Nnamdi Kanu is too big. With the crowd he has, with the family, the IPOB family around the world, Nnamdi Kanu is too big to stay in DOS office. It's not possible. Listen to me. Stop telling me, oh, the DOS know what they are doing. If I tell you the work, you are mad. You are completely mad. You don't have sense. IPOB is too big to behold Nnamdi Kanu sitting in the DOS office. It's not possible. If they want to send him to prison, let them go to court and send him to prison. If they cannot, let them release him. As simple as that. If they cannot send him to prison, after everything, he's now guilty of, and then we send him to prison. If they cannot do that, let them release him immediately. That is what we stand for. And you come out here to tell me, you have cut all this and we should go and vote. You are very stupid. You are very, very stupid without your plan. You said you are planning. Nonsense. You are very stupid. I know what they did. They did this very thing for the favor of Ipob. I am from Newu. Ipob is one of my brother. I'm talking about Iken Uragu. Yes, I am from Otolo. Hope you know. See my house, see better house. So that is my territory. I know how Ipob was at. I know where he was at home. I know all these things. He's a rich man. I respect him very well. He's a very wonderful boy. Very wonderful man. I respect him. I respect him very well. It's not easy. I know when he first of all came out for Anambra State election under the Labour Party, I know many things he did. I know how many people that left with his cars, with his boss, the motor he gave to them for campaign, they left with it. I know all these things. Ipob is a very wonderful man. We know. But let me tell you something. At this point, we are not politicians. That is what it means to be a freedom fighter. Whether your brother, your father, your mother is supporting them, you will have to tell them the truth. I know what they did. They did all this in the paper of Ipob. Okay. Ipob is going there, and he's a young boy. Let us just cut off the seat at home, and the men so that he can win. Nonsense. Now, what happened? APC is having 1,200 votes. Why Ipob is having 400? I want to tell you the secret of what they did in Anambra State. APC in Anambra, my goodness me, who are those that voted for him? Is having 1,002. Apuga will have 1,003. YPP Ipob will have 400. Tomorrow, they will tell you that out of the 21 local governments, according to them, they said 18, Soludo won 18. Tomorrow, they will tell you, that 18 was not actually counted very well. Because they have given you some figures. Let me tell you what you don't know. They want to hand over Anambra to APC. And your very eye, nothing will happen. I am talking to Iken Uragu because Iken Uragu was busy campaigning. And you left the reason why we are doing what we're doing. And you are campaigning. Oh my goodness me. And I have said it before. And I must do what I say. I must do what I say. You have to tell me the reason why you cut off the seat at home. Let me tell you what I did. They made sure that APC has at least some small movement with APGA. So that they can be able to twist. And they will tell you, APC really won. Not APGA. When you look at the votes, go and look at it. You will see APC 1,003, APGA 1,005. Is it not 200? You will also see, APC 2,002, APGA 3,000. Before the end of the day, they will tell you, there was actually one place that APC has 8,000 and the APGA will have 800. For that reason, if you bring 8,000 against 800 and you can use it, nonsense. And you will sit in your home, APC will win. Go and mark my word. That is why I'm angry. For IPOB to speak about go and vote. Why? Why? We know the fraudulent in that vote. We know the fraudulent in that Nigeria. We know. So we are not supposed to subscribe to that cancellation of seat at home. Who are those that told you, go and cancel it, and you come and tell us, we have met with our leaders, our religious leaders. Who are they? Our struggle in vain. Do you know how much I waste every day? Do you know how much I spend every day on my group to speak to them? You want to be at war everything, Nana. Well, I'm not counting IPOB like I said before. But DOS has to tell me why they cut off the seat at home. The DOS have to tell me why they stopped the seat at home. And who do you speak with? Give me the video. As I'm talking to you right now, I think they are in a war zone now. The APC is running trying to manipulate some results to fit their own results so they can be the winner. I'm telling you that. PDP doesn't know that they are not going anywhere. Ipob now doesn't even have any room there. After the whole result, where they will put Ipob is number 4. After everything, where they will put that our brother is my brother. Number 4. My goodness me. My goodness me. I am so much afraid. Very, 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 very sad indeed that we begin to talk about go and vote. Oh my goodness me. Well, it's okay. I'm watching. Someone said to me that you must not be told what IPOB is doing. They cannot tell you anything they are doing. You have to listen to me. Listen to me, young man. In 2015, I sustained injury on the struggle for Biafra. A friend was killed. Brothers was killed. We never leave IPOB. We never stopped the struggle. For that reason, you have to tell me any movement you do and why I have to believe in you. If you cannot tell me the reason, then you have no reason, and I will counter it. As simple as that. This is not about all these useless people that call themselves Biafra National Guide. Or nonsense people. You went to Bush and even when you look at the English, they're very rubbish. The idiot that was even talking nonsense. Don't want to talk about them. I don't come online to gossip, to tell you, oh, this person is talking rubbish. No. Anyhow we want to do to the South Africa and do it. Don't insult anybody. But the one I am inside, which is the IPOB, the leadership need to attend to me, and they need to tell me why they do what they do. As simple as that. So for those of you on Facebook who are not able to connect with us on our platform, you have to share this video to them. I want to ask Ike Guruago, what have he achieved in calling off the sit at home? Some days to election, we begin to see posts like, we did not say no election. We only said sit at home. I want you to understand where I'm going. Some days to the election, we begin to see posts like, we did not say no election. We say sit at home. Later do we know they have a plan. Then after they have concluded with their plan on how to bring it out, the next word was, we have spoken with their religious leaders, with our elders. Who is the elders? And they said to you, call out this at home and tell people to go and vote. My goodness. And your leader, your engine room, is in the custody of one animal. That is not worthy to hold him. Somebody that is not even educated enough to hold him, to listen to him. That is where he is. And we said no election until they release him. If they want us to do election, or if they want us to conduct anything, why do they not release him? Oh, they should release him immediately. And we can say, okay, go and vote. Let's do what we're doing. But no. Whether you sacrifice your life, your mother, your daddy to Biafra, if you do the wrong thing in Biafra restoration, you must be counted. I tell the truth. There are people who have lost lives in this struggle. So you cannot sit and the first and you tell them, oh, go and do this. We have ordered you. Are you mad? Something's wrong with you. What's wrong with your brain? My name is Simon Brain, and I deserve to know why the sit-at-home was cut off. I deserve to know that. One thing you have to understand from me is, go through my videos on Facebook. It's not too much. I don't have much followers on Facebook, so the videos I made is not too much. I have not been online for some days because I was banned. I was being reported by some Igbos, not Hausa people. Some Biafrans reported my page. Let me tell you, the evil things we face in this struggle. Some Biafrans, those who call themselves Biafrans, Igbo people, they reported me. And after the battle, I was able to lift up the ban, and I'm back. Because in my platform, I have more than 200,000 people listening to me. And I deserve to know why this at home was cut off. A clear understanding. Those you speak with, those who told you to do so, and why they said it, and what was the emotion. We need to know. Listen, people are dying. I want you to understand me. So you cannot just come online and tell them anything and they obey you. People in Biafra have lost brothers, sisters, friends. Some people have lost their fiancés. Those who they believe, oh, this person will marry me tomorrow. They lost them for this struggle. So their heart is bitter. And the spirit of those who died are also bitter. So you cannot come online and tell anything and expect people to believe you. It doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. If you people did not tell us the reason, and I promise you this, the struggle, the killing, the destruction will start in between. It goes upon your. If you do not tell us the reason why you do what you did, the struggle will start. The beating, the killing, we will start it. So if you think you are living in Australia or in Austria, or you think you are hiding in somewhere in London, London is like my backyard. So I want to tell you that. You think you are hiding in somewhere in Spain, in Italy, in Germany, in Holland, in anywhere, in the US. You think you are hiding somewhere, they cannot find me here. You can go to your room and make a broker. In South Africa, anywhere you are, I will make sure I find you out and pieces you. You must tell us the reason why. Because people are dying every day. They set more than 30,000 policemen, armed men in Biafra land, and we are here calling off at home. For what reason? For what reason? Why our leader has not been released? For what reason? And they want me to believe you. It's not possible. So if you think you have something more important to do, that is why you do it. Tell me the reason why you do so. As simple as that. You don't do anything like that. Look, some of us who are all like somebody like Simon Ekpa, who maybe when he begins to talk, you think, oh, he's sabotaging the group. No. No. He is not. Many things are happening. So whenever you see something like this, you have to know these are human beings. And they can be compromised anytime. So you cannot tell me to sit down and watch. Why I'm sitting there, I'm not seeing anything. If you want me to sit down and watch, give me the television to watch. And I want to see something that I'm watching. You can't just tell me sit down and watch. And you have nothing to tell me to watch. It's not possible. If you are my leader, if you are my group, if you are doing what I'm doing, you have to tell me why you cut off the sit at home. Because our stand was, Nnamdi Kanu must be released. So why the sudden call of sitting at home? Why? It's unfortunate. Very, 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 very unfortunate indeed. I want to call on the DOS. You are dealing with people, not animals. People you are dealing with are not Hausa. They are not Yorubas. They are Igbo. And you know what it means? You know what it means? You know, we have been following up this struggle for a long time ago. And we know how many things work. Most of us who do this are doing it on our own. We are not being paid. Most of you are being paid. So for that reason, you have to tell us what is happening. Don't sit in your home and tell me to watch, please. And if you're coming on my page or you're coming on my WhatsApp to tell me, oh, hey, bros, you stop talking. You're talking rubbish. I don't care. Oh, bros, this is what they do. Hey, this and that. I'm not talking rubbish. Completely rubbish. The dead bodies that lied in the street of Onitsha, who killed them? Was the elders not there when those men were killed? The thousands of armed men they brought into Southeast, was the elders not there when this is being happening? Where we are there? And a day or some days to election, they tell you to call off the sit at home. And you did. God, they must tell us the reason why they do so. What we are doing is not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy to bring out your face on social media and speak. Because, like I said yesterday, I am ready to face anybody in our leadership who is compromised. I cannot tell you that this is happening now because I have not gotten the clear understanding of what really led to the cancellation of this situation. You can't be playing with people. You can't just come out and say, oh, sit at home. Then tomorrow, maybe some minutes to go, you say, oh, just sit at home again. Are you okay? In Apwala. Something wrong with you? You think you're doing with animals? It's not possible. Just some days, some weeks, some months, that now the guy is around, everything is going hard, everything, blah, blah, blah. But what is it? Are you okay? Nonsense. Chike, Edoziem, whether you are a surgeon, doctor, whatever you are, somebody from him sent me a message. And began to explain to me, who is he? He is a best surgeon. Let me tell you something, like, Mr. Man. I don't care. Because it doesn't mean where I am, I know how many people I feed. I know how many people going to school under my care. So you must understand that. You must understand that. There are things the Biafrans need to be hearing from Radio Biafra that they're not hearing. When you on the Radio Biafra, what you hear is gossip. Gossip. Radio Biafra used to be our BBC, Hausa. Yes. There is no way Hausa man is going without his own small radio, BBC. And whatever they tell them there is what they do. That is how the Radio Biafra used to be. That's how it used to be to us. Every news we get from there is authentic. And that's what we do. But as it is right now, all we get from there is gossip. All we have from there is gossip. And nothing more. We must understand why we are doing this, please. We must understand that. We must understand that. We must understand that. We are not against anybody. I would rather say, I am not against anybody. I am not against anybody. I am not against anybody. But you have to tell me the reason for the sitting at home. You cut off. Why? You have to tell me the reason. Because lives are being taken off. So you cannot come on a day and say, oh, let us say this. You are not okay. You have to tell me the reason. Somebody send me, Kenneth, do you want to say anything? Do you want to say anything, Kenneth? Are you one of them? Do you want to tell me the reason why you cut off the sit at home? Of course no. Because I received a message from their office telling me to relax. We know what we're doing. And I said no. If you know what you're doing, you have to tell me some things you're doing. I know our struggle is somehow secret. The same way what I'm doing is secret. Because you don't know how prepared I am. And you will never know how prepared I am until I am doing what I'm doing. Because I'm well prepared. You are not paying me. So for that reason, you must respect the fact that I follow your lead. And when I follow your lead, you have to tell me the reason why you are doing whatever you're doing. We are not supposed to be coming online to gossip. There are things that Ipob, the people of Biafra, wants to hear that we are not talking about. We change our narratives, we change our stories to gossip and to go and talk about election. Now, how is election? How is this the same fraudulent in Nigeria election? The same thing. The same way they will manipulate the election. I am telling you today, go and mark it down. APC will take over Anambra State. And you will sit in the comfort of your zone in London. You will sit in the US. You will sit in South Africa. You will sit in Finland. You will sit in Vienna. You will sit in Australia. You will sit in Germany. You will sit in Spain. And you will tell people in Biafra land, oh, go and sit at home. You are stupid. Tomorrow, if they don't sit at home, you say, oh, they are not following others. Are you mad? Why, when they say to you, go and tell us the reason why you cannot tell them? Say, they're not following others. If I plan to collapse Ipob, Mexico will kill me. If I plan to collapse Ipob, Mexico will kill me. But if you plan to collapse Ipob, I myself will slaughter you. Into pieces. I have said it before. I will find you everywhere you are. Cut into pieces. Because people, lives have been lost. You cannot bring them back. You cannot bring them back, those lives. So when you want to tell me the reason why, or you want to give me an orders, you have to give me the reasons why I must follow the orders. You can sit in the comfort of your home, eating with your family, taking tea and coffee, and you maybe you remember that, oh, let me bring my laptop. You open it and you click your Facebook and begin to talk rubbish. Nonsense. They don't do like that. We are who we are, and we are very intelligent, and you have to understand the reason why we do what we do. We are not insulting anybody, and I will never do so. I can't insult IPOB structure because I can't insult Nnamdi Kanu. So if you're among those who are insulting Nnamdi Kanu, then you must be very sick. You must be very, very sick indeed. We should be ready to talk about releasing Nnamdi Kanu. We are not even supposed to allow him stay there till November 10th. For what reason? And the one we are talking is about, we want to call out the sister at home because, are you mad? Give me the video where Nnamdi Kanu told you to call out the sister at home. Give me the video where the elders met you to call out the sister at home. And I will ask them, where were they when people on the street have been killed? You must be very careful. And you must know that people you are dealing with are very intelligent all over the world. Let me tell you this. OVWR have planned with APC. For those of you who won't understand the politics in Anambra State now, OVWR has planned with APC.
This our brother does bring out his own opinion. Some people find it so difficult to agree that everybody must not have or dance to your opinion or to your ideal. You allow people as well to express their mind. That is how it works. Some people, when they see the other way around, they will be getting angry. Everybody must not be like you. Everybody must not follow your footsteps. Everybody must not do what you do or agree to what you agreed on. So our brother have the right also to decide. He has pictures the scenario, and he knows what he is saying. Likewise, everybody, as far as this issue is concerned. Thank you very much for supporting this channel. I really do appreciate. Do well to drop your opinion in the comment section. I still remain your one and only Agatha Progress, reporting this to you from what our brother have just said. Please, if you know you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please click on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.